Here we go. Ready, Jay? Jay.
Yeah,
5,
I'm ready.
4, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, we're off, Rossi. Left. Sweeper left. It's nice and easy, buddy. Coming into a medium right, medium right, medium right.
Okay, check up. All right, God bless. Ben, take care.
Okay, easy, easy, Jay. Easy. Straight. Still straight. Slight right. Into a slight left. This is straight. Easy. Okay, clear. Stay right. Okay. Still straight.
See what happens if you kick off those A-pillars, Emilio.
Okay. What do you think? On. Stay straight. Just stay close, we're good. Don't hit them yet. It's too dangerous right now. I know you see us, buddy. Okay, go, 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 go. Thanks, buddy. All right. Still straight. We're good. Let's just bring her home. It's gonna be our slight right, slight right. Slight right. Stay outside. Sorry, I was a little late on that. Slight left. Still on course. Right, slight right, medium right. Good job. Stay left. Veer slight left. Clear behind us. Stay straight. Easy, looks like a little quick left. Quick left. Stay straight. Okay. Easy. Good save. It's okay. We're all right. Slight right. Maintain straight. Maintain straight. Veer right, veer right. Stay calm and breathe, buddy. Stay calm and breathe. Medium left. Maintain straight. Maintain straight.
How's those water temp?
We're a little high on the water temp. Your dad said we would be. So just we're at 240. Got lights up here. Careful. Okay. Easy. It's gonna be all the way straight. Oh, we're climbing. Woods to a left. Easy, easy. We got our fans on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Call out the temp to Pop. He'll calm us down or whatever.
Rossi, do you copy? Rossi 2, if you can hear us, the water temp is a little high. It's about 242. Just checking in.
Come back.
Water temp is at 243. Do you copy?
Don't worry about it.
Said don't worry about it.
10-4.
We got lights coming.
Yeah, I think that's sloppy.
Okay.
Where are we going?
We're straight. Veer right. Veer right. Hard right. Hard right. Check. Stop. Oh. Oh, that was the, okay. Hard right. You cutting out?
Yeah, it's cool.
No, I don't think it's sloppy. I think it's got to be the, hopefully it's that green truck still behind us. Maintain straight. Slight right. To a slight left. Slight right, medium right, medium right. To another medium left. Hard horseshoe left. Coming up. I'll let you know when, maintain. Slight left to a slight right. Oh, that's the next waypoint. Okay, I see. We're good. Slight left. Easy, easy. Medium left. Oh, hard left, hard left, hard left. Woo! We got someone on us. Oh no, that's the checkpoint guy. Oh shit, we're off course. We're off course. Turn around. Fuck.
Oh, we lost the fucking course, bro.
Where it goes? It's straight ahead, straight ahead, straight ahead, straight ahead.
Here?
No, no, it's way out there. Go, 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 go. Just go, don't get stuck. Go, go. Start veering left a little bit. Okay, we're about to be back on it. Keep going. We're right here. Left, 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 left. Sorry. Okay. Hard left. Medium left. Medium left. Take it easy, kind of rough. Rocks, rocks, rocks. Oh. Go ahead, buddy, go. Go, buddy, go. He sees us. Thank you. Go. Medium right. Medium right. Maintain. Medium left. Okay, check up a little, check up. I can't see the screen that far ahead. Okay. Okay, medium left, medium left. Hard right, harder right, sorry. And to the left. Medium right again. Into a medium left. Maintain. Another sweeper right. Into a sweeper left. To a sweeping right. Maintain, maintain.
Glad I made those adjustments on the lights last night.
Yeah.
They were pointed too high.
Oh shit. Left right here, hard left. Horseshoe. Take it nice and easy. Nice and easy. Muddy, mud. Oh fuck. Go, 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 go. The course is right there, Jay.
Okay. I'm gonna let this guy get ahead of us.
Oh, that's sloppy.
Daniel, can you pick me up?
Roger that, I got you, John Rossi. We're still moving. We're doing really good.
Good. Get the mountain clear.
This is straight. Straight, okay?
Roger.
That water coming off the hood at us?
Yeah.
Okay. It's gonna be a slight, ever so slightly left. Okay, that was it. Now straight ahead. Veer left. still straight. You're good. It's good safe speed right here.
That water felt really good on my pants.
Dude, it dropped the pressure massively. The water temp, I mean, sorry.
Cool.
Straight all the way. Okay, 35, slow down.
Not copy.
Yes, we're at pit A. We're at pit A.
Breaking up Amelia.
We just made it through pit A. We just made it through pit A. We just passed Danny.
Good job.
Microfiber?
Good, I'm good.
Okay.
Good job, brother. Good job, Emilio. Smooth.
Roger that, Danny Rossi.
Have some motherfucking fun, brother.
10-4.
Dan Coletti just passed you.
Dan Coletti's right behind us.
Okay. Three, two, one.
Mid right. Oh, hard right. Fuck. I missed that one. Straight through here, straight.
Three, two.
Hard right, hard right, hard right. It's all the way straight right here. Drink water. Wiggle your toes and fingers. If you can. in half a mile, it's gonna be a hard left into a sweeping right. Half mile from now. Okay. 1,000 feet, 850 feet. Here it is. Easy, easy. Medium right. Hard right, hard right. A 90. Hard left. 90 left. All the way straight. It's gonna be a hard 90 left and half mile. It's all the way straight, looks like. Watch the rock. Okay, quarter mile. Still straight. Maintain straight. 700 feet, 500, right here, 300 feet, hard left. Right.
Huh?
They're waving us off. Yeah, okay. Good. Sorry. They were waving us over. Hard right. I got you. What's up, Rossi? Water temp is 235. We're maintaining. Stay straight. Easy. Let's check it out. I can't see. Okay. Sweeper left.
What does the temp do when I just stay in second like this?
It's still under 240.
Okay.
Watch the rocks. Hard left.
Oh, fuck.
That flat? Yeah.
Yep.
We got a flat. Fuck. Let's keep going. Let's keep going somewhere safe. Coletti's behind us. Right here.
All right.
fuck.
Should I keep the motor on?
Yeah. Leave it on. Okay, let's just do this calmly, okay?
Fourteen ninety two, Emilio. How you doing?
Let me know whenever you're ready.
Alright, you got me?
Yep.
Okay, ready when you are. What was that?
That was just my...
Okay.
Oh, I need a steering wheel.
Yeah.
Stupid.
Alright. Watch that rock. Okay, we're trying, buddy. We'll move.